What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now the camera's automatically gone out of focus, which is never a great start. Fuck. What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now today, it has been a while, so apologies for that, but I'm in a mad rush at the moment. I need to go to the barber's, get a haircut, and then we get my alloy wheels changed over. I've got a new set of alloy wheels, or a second-hand set, but they're pretty much new, and we're getting those put on the car today, because I'll show you this alloy as an example. It's not too bad in terms of condition, but you've got like the paint starting to come away there where they're getting old, and that's probably the best wheel that I've got there, which I've just shown you. The rest are pretty mullered. So yeah, we're changing those over today. I'll take you along with me. So these are the new but used alloys. As you can see, they are pretty much in mint condition for all four of them, which is good news. So yeah, they're the wheels that we're getting put on. I'm just going to load them in the back of the Focus now, and then I literally have got to go, so if not I'm going to be late. So yeah, let's get that done.
A few moments later.
Right boys, fresh trim is done. We're now on the way to get the alloys fitted. I'll catch up with you when we get there, as definitely driving. But yeah, we've got the fresh fade, have locked onto it. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, we're on the way. The sun is out, boys. The sun is out. I don't believe it. Shout out to me boys, Dave Chapman Limited, place to be. Right boys, there we have it. The wheels are now on. It's very windy outside, so I'm just going to do the outro now and then I'll show you the wheels. And just a little bit of an explanation as to why I haven't uploaded recently, and it's pretty much just down to the weather, if I'm brutally honest. The weather is just so bad. By the time I finish work, it's pitch black. And it's cold, rainy, windy, and it just doesn't really want to make you go outside and do some mods, whatever it is. So that is essentially why I haven't uploaded in a while. So apologies for that, but as the weather gets better, some more videos will be coming back out on the channel with the Focus. So yeah, I didn't really get much chance to film whilst I was actually at the at Chapman getting the wheels fitted. Just because I wandered off and I went to Tesco's and done a bit of shopping there. So I'm going to show you the wheels now and how it looks. It looks pretty much the same because they are the same wheels, but they're just not damaged, so they're not got any scuff marks or anything like that. So it just does make the car look a little bit tidier in general. So yeah, that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you to everyone that subscribed recently, although there hasn't been a constant flow of videos coming out, so I appreciate you boys. But yeah, more videos to come when the weather gets a bit better. Today it's not too bad. It was pretty sunny earlier on. It's a bit overcast now. It's very windy outside. So yeah, I'll show you the wheels now, and yeah, and then I've got to go get some more bits in town. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.